The other day, I got a phone call from a potential client, and the first question I asked, which is the first question I always ask, is, were you hurt? And the person on the phone said, well, I wasn't really hurt. I had a whiplash injury. I said, well, how do you know that? And she said, well, the doctor told me. The doctor said, oh, it's just a whiplash. Let me give you some muscle relaxers. Call me back in a couple of weeks. I'm sure you'll be fine. I said to her, well, how long ago was that? And she said, well, it was about 3 weeks ago. I said, how you feeling? She said, my neck is still hurting me and my lower back is still hurting me. What should I do? I'm Peter Miller, Arkansas car and truck accident attorney, and today I'm going to talk to you about something called soft tissue injuries. You know, the body is made up of bones and muscles and nerves and organs. Bones are hard tissue. Everything else is soft tissue. So that if you have a soft tissue injury, it doesn't mean you weren't hurt bad. What it means is you didn't break any bones. And soft tissue injuries can frequently bother you for the rest of your life. And so I take them very seriously. There's no such thing as, quote, just a soft tissue injury. Soft tissue injuries can be very serious. And when you're involved in an accident, especially if you're hit from the rear or you're hit from the side and your head moves in an extended way, either forward or backward, side to side, it can cause significant damage to the soft tissue in your cervical spine, which is the part of your spine that the neck is. So here is an illustration of what happens to the head and neck in a rear-end collision. If you have been in an automobile accident and you go to the doctor and the doctor says, oh, it's just a soft tissue injury, first thing you should do is say, Doc, I'm kind of worried about this. I'd like to get a better idea of it because I'm worried it's going to hurt me for a long time. And if the doctor doesn't pay good attention to you, go to another doctor because, frankly, soft tissue injuries can be very serious and require medical attention. Typically, the kind of medical attention that they require, the first thing is either an MRI or a CAT scan to determine the extent of the injury. So, if you've been involved in an automobile accident, if you've hurt your neck or your lower back, take it seriously. And if the doctor doesn't take it seriously, go to another doctor. I'm Peter Miller, Arkansas car and truck accident attorney. If you have a legal question, give me a call. My number is 501-374-6300. I talk to people all the time. I like to do that. So give me a call. And have a nice day.